I'm here at Joint Effort Motorcycles with my buddy Robin De Silva. This is his workshop, and we've finally found a donor bike to build a bobber for me that I'm going to be using. What bike is this, Robbie?
It's a 1200 custom Sportster.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon we should do?
Well, firstly, I think we should take this whole console off, put short risers, and put a nice shed of 16-inch ape hangers.
Are those the tall ones or like half ones?
They're sort of medium.
Medium ones, yeah.
You can go up to 20-inch.
And then what you're going to do with the speedo?
Speedo, I think we'll put it as side mounts onto the left-hand side of the bike.
Okay.
I think I might lift the tank up, expose the engine even more.
I like the shape of the tank. It's an awesome shape for a bobber, I think.
Yeah, and they carry quite a bit of fuel as well, which is cool.
And the seat?
The seat I'm going to toss. We'll put a solo seat on it. I think I'm going to chop the frame off there. Put a short fender, expose the back wheel, put a side mount number plate, and move the indicators
back a bit, forward a bit, yeah.
Forward on the bike.
So then that whole fender will come off, and we'll put a fender on that hugs the wheel more.
Yes.
Okay, brilliant.
And then chop I think what I want to do is put a short set of pipes on it. Hopefully you can find a sucker air cleaner. I want to change the back wheel. Put a spoke rear wheel on it. Build a pucker bobber.
Ah, awesome, man. I can't wait to ride it. And so the tear down, the strip down begins as we start to build a bobber. Still trying to think about what we should do with the color scheme, paint job. I was thinking candy apple red with yellow Joint Effort and Clint & Co's on either side of the tank. If you guys have got any ideas, any of you keyboard ninjas that want to weigh in, please, we would love to hear some loving, constructive feedback. I'm so excited to ride this new bike.